Bitcoin up for the next 35 weeks. What? You wanna know the last crypto information? Wanna know about price predictions and much more? Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for Crypto News Fun on the Ride Crypto a Tope. Today, we're a little bit sad because Bitcoin is going down. We're going to talk all about it. But first, let me tell you that in our primary channel, we have already our other channels included. So if you want to learn Spanish or English in the crypto space, you have it there. And also, if you are interested in technology and artificial intelligence, then you have those two channels about AI. So do not miss them out. And again, if you want to learn Spanish, go to FunOntheRide, our primary channel. And also, let me tell you that the code was working for the discount on the Ledger Nano X Valentine's Day promotion. And we learned that they are going to have this discount till 28th of February, so the end of the month. So take advantage of that, or maybe buy a Ledger Nano S Plus and then go to FunOntheRide.com where you have a lot of information on how to use it. Thank you very much. Bitcoin trying to find support on $24,000. It was resistance in the past, and now we want it to be support. Maybe this line will also help, but we are a little bit concerned about everything. And we were expecting a parabolic rise for Bitcoin, watch past videos, and we still with the narrative that we may do it as we draw here in our path to $56,000. And if that's so, well, the next couple of days, we are going to start going up again. We'll see that here in FunOntheRide Crypto News, and maybe that will bring us to 24,900. That would be the path we did in 2019. Maybe we are following that, or maybe we are following 2017. In both scenarios, we go up these 2 more days. And also, we did that in 2020. So a lot of data saying that we will go up the next couple of days to reach that 24,934 that I draw here according to an AI. So let's see if it's that intelligent, the artificial intelligence, or it's not. A lot of that has to do with dollar now going up. That's why Bitcoin's going down, even though Will Clemente is telling us that Bitcoin's daily correlation to the S&P flipping negative for the first time since the FTX collapse. So usually those go together, but remember that past couple of days we have a situation where Bitcoin and dollar were behaving just the same, which was weird, was strange. And it's good that we don't behave the same as the stock market, because yesterday it went down for good in USA, and also in the ASEAN market is going down today. Gold is going down, US dollar going up. That's not good. And we'll see if S&P 500 can resist here and find support in the channel we draw some programs ago, or we talk again about how we live inside the channel. This maybe has to do with the next decisions of the Fed about the rates, and the dates are March 22, May the 3rd, and June the 14th. So after that, that will be a raise of 25 basic points each time. Then they will post that till December. That's what the market expects. And if that happens, we'll see if we keep on going up as we did last time that we had that information. Remember that 28 days before the decision is the point we are right now, where we were going up for good. So if that's so, we will start going up soon enough, and we'll see the next 2 times. Also, now we have the FOMC minutes, and that sometimes means that we will go down. How is so? Well, those are the dates where we found that. And if you see the past situations, the last time we went up once we had that information, but the last 2 times we went down for 5 to 6 days and then started going up again. So again, Bitcoin telling us some good things and some good bad things and some other information that makes us believe that it's going to be flat. So you never know if it's going to go up or down or flat. No one knows, not even Satoshi Nakamoto. If you find a Twitter guy or a YouTuber or whatever that tells you different, he is trying to trick you. So be careful with that. No one's know. If you want to learn more about price predictions, what's the last crypto news? And now let's talk about today's topic, which is that maybe we are already in the new bull market, because usually it takes Bitcoin 33 to 35 months, and we will be there now that we ended with 14 months going down, as we did the last time and as we did the previous time. So usually 14 months down, then 35 up, 14 months down, 33 up, 14 months down, and now we'll see if it's 34 months up. This looks a lot like this optimistic chart we drew a long time ago, because we needed to go maybe not so high as $2,400,000, but maybe 100, but anyways, we wanted to go there and have some profits. Maybe it will raise 1,000%. That happened the last time Bitcoin bounced from the 200 weekly MA. If we do that, that will be good news, but we need to surpass it because we are now down from this line. So if we have a rebound now, we will go downwards 1,000%, and that will be 0%. We have the market in the red, the bubbles in the red, but Anchor, let's talk about that in a sec. And if you see the most important ones, well, you see that the stable coins are the ones leading the market. So that means fear in the market right now. Anchor had a huge pump, and if we go to the whole history of it, logarithmic scale, we are close to the previous all-time high. Good news for this project, which is a cross-chain infrastructure that will allow you the development of decentralized applications and staking, etc., etc. And now they had a partnership with Microsoft, and that's why the price is pumping for this project. You are going to be able of having their services on Azure, which is Microsoft's website. That means it will be available to millions of customers. Also, they believe that Shanghai, the moment for Ethereum 2.0, where you can have your tokens back, will be good for liquid projects and staking operators like its Anchor. So good for it. And Ethereum going down with all this news, but it's been deflationary for 50 days in a row now. So that's very good news for Ethereum. And also we have good news for Arbitrum, the layer 2 that is surpassing Ethereum in daily transactions, and it's in a new all-time high. Everybody believes that we're going to have an airdrop soon enough, so they are using it in order to have it in the future. And we have more good news about blockchain now from Ecuador, and there they had electoral procedure national level, and they use blockchain in order to be sure the traceability of it, so you don't have to trust a third party anymore. This is a huge case use that will be used for crypto all over the world. And more good news, El Salvador, which made Bitcoin legal tender in El Salvador, the country, now wants to open a Bitcoin embassy in Texas. It's not the first time they did that in Lugano already. So good for El Salvador, trying to spread the word about Bitcoin. And good news from Asia, now Hong Kong being more crypto friendly. That's a good thing. If things work out well there, maybe China will open too. That will be bad for United States. They will lose the situation they have right now due to regulators, and it's not a minor thing, because you have to consider that Asia means 30% of the crypto market right now. So interesting. We'll see about that in the future. That would make us so greedy. We are greedy in the market right now, but we have some concerns. Of course, FTX, even though Japan has a good news for FTX, and it's that people can now withdraw funds starting today. So maybe that's why crypto is going a little bit down. Maybe there's some selling pressure because of that. We'll see about it. And also some people that are trying to sell the bankruptcy claims of FTX for 20 cents on the dollar, as they believe it would be a procedure that would take 5 years and you would take in the end 50 cents for the dollar. So now the private OTC markets are doing this. So interesting. And Sam Bankman-Fried, responsible of this fiasco, fighting a subpoena for remote deposition. He's trying to fight his case in his favor, of course. Nightmare for Coinbase, now losing $600 million in the Q4. And this is the 4th consecutive time they are losing. This is the stock market. What do you think about coin? Maybe 50 will be the line where we'll find support. What do you think about that? And more bad news now, Polygon Labs is firing 100 people. So that's not a good thing for the project or the crypto space. More bad news from Nigeria. Now they are trying to find help in a New York-based company because their CBDC is not working. Cardano going down. We are not happy with that, but we are so close to the million ADIs in our official pool. Cardano on the right, Fanon. So thank you very much for everybody bringing your tokens with us. Thank you. And thank you to everybody that asked me things or tell me about the stuff in the crypto world. For example, Rommel1922, he asked me about SMR and Iota. They have a beta release. Now we are going to be able of having NFTs on Iota. It's not ready in the official site. Be careful of phishing attacks. Of course, do your checksum, but if you do as I did and install the one you have there, the new version 2.0.1, there's no the news we need. So you have to go to GitHub right now and have the beta and check again the checksum. And I didn't want to do that. So if you want to do it, do it. But I prefer not being the first of using these kind of things in case there's a bug and I lose all my money. So the idea is that in the future, we have this button and it's calling us for minting our NFTs. It's easy. You just select the thing you want. You will make a setup of the conditions of the minting and you will find it minted so easily and quickly. So good for the NFT space. Iota now allowing things to be NFT'd in a very simple and costless way, so fast. Then you will be able of watching your NFT on your Firefly wallet. And of course, you can go to an explorer and find it there. So cool news. Thank you very much. The DeFi ecosystem, NFT and metaverse going to the $60 billion. Now good news about Web3. Bot is partnering and trying to develop with $100 million this ecosystem where we have a controversy. Remember that we have Bitcoin now having NFTs in its chain, and now with Ordinals we also can have them in Litecoin. So the controversy is we need NFTs on Bitcoin and Litecoin. Maybe in the future, all debates like the size of the blocks will be open. Maybe we will have hard forks again because of this. Some people believe Bitcoin is Bitcoin and you don't have to use it for NFTs. And some other people believe that's the idea and that way you don't need any other altcoin, not even Ethereum. So now in Litecoin, we have also NFTs. The white paper of Mimblewimble was the first one there. Remember that in Bitcoin Ordinals, we have now NFTs of a fart and also adult content. So crazy all about this, and Litecoin going down, maybe to find support in the random line withdraw some days ago. And talking about Litecoin NFTs and Ordinals, Bitbase, our partners, they are giving away 10 BTBS, the token of the company, if you go to Ordinals and play Doom, because you have Doom there as an NFT. If you are the first in completing it, you will have the prize. If not, go to bitbase.es and buy your crypto there. So convenient. And also you have a lot of stores in the world and also ATMs. Do not miss that out. And if you are in Barcelona, 27 February to 2nd of March 2023, then you can find them there and ask them for something. Tell them about Fun on the Ride and see what happens. And more about NFTs, Blur launching another airdrop, $300 million in extra tokens to loyal NFT traders. So we still with the war between OpenSea and Blur, and be careful with rug pulls. Now Francis NFT, they got $5 million and they said goodbye, even though the company is back online saying that it was just a pause. It's not saying goodbye for good. Do you trust that? I don't, but who knows what the truth is. Anyways, let's talk about crypto safety. Again, till 28 February, you have a discount on Layer Nano X. If you buy 2 of them, and if you want to be safe, you need a cold wallet and also a good portfolio tracker. For me, the best is coin tracking. Also, you can have your tax report with them. Link is in the description. You have a 10% discount and help indirectly the channel. Thank you very much. And about partners over the reality that now are getting better and better with the map to earn and how you can now create experiences so close to being exact. Like, for example, here, those trees, exactly 20 centimeters of problems if you have them. So you can picture that in the future, this allows companies to create a lot of cool stuff and experiences. You have all the information you need in this video. Do not miss that out. And for the people asking me about Valdean de Mágico, you have it on Odyssey again. He's back, so you can follow him there and earn some tokens. And also you can do the same with us. Fun on the Ride on Odyssey, 14,000 riders already. Thank you very much. Alone you can, but with friends you can indeed. Here you have 2 bees working together, or wisps, and they finally working together can make it. So cool stuff, and so cool is the technology of Mother Nature. Here we have mushrooms releasing spores into the wild. And what about cats? This one is so cute. You kiss him, he kisses you back. Love is in the air, like this cat. It was alone the first crypto winter for him, but he found Fun on the Ride and the riders, and now he's not alone anymore. And this one's so jealous because he's been just here for the crypto winter. He wants a crypto spring or crypto summer. So maybe in the future, he will be happy again. And this one is just practicing, trying right now to be prepared for the next bull run with this workout in the stairs. We don't have more time right now. If you want to learn Spanish, you have this very same video in Spanish in our primary channel, Fun on the Ride. If you want more in English, just wait to our next video. Crypto news, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, crypto in peace and party in peace. And the best is yet to come. To the ball!